What's going on? Tim Kanak with Perkins Roofing, and as you can see, the rainy season has begun, which means we're getting closer to hurricane season. Man, it's been raining a lot lately. I don't like it, but we have to deal with it. We live in Florida. Dry season is over. The snowbirds are going home. And rainy season has begun. But what does that mean? It means that it is time to get in your pre-hurricane season roof maintenance. At Perkins Roofing, we are currently running a special right now. If you have a commercial property and you do pre-hurricane season maintenance with us, and this can be any type of roof, flat roof tile, flat tile, flat metal, shingle, we will give you a free emergency roof repair. You're going to get a free inspection report with photos, and you're going to get a free emergency roof repair if you do pre-hurricane season maintenance with us. Now, why? Why should you spend money? What's the point? 3 reasons on why this is worth the money. Number 1, maintenance is very important. We can spot little problems, tiny little problems that might be a few $100 here, a little bit of roof cement here, a little bit of coating or urethane here, caulking here, replace a screw here. Little things like that might be $25, $100, $500 to fix right now. That could turn into $10,000 insurance claims when somebody gets water into their unit and it ruins their drywall or their painting or their couch or whatever. And then you have to pay insurance deductible, and then they're going to say, we're not responsible for the roof, the association is, and they're going to sue the association. So spending a little bit of money now can save you tens, hundreds of thousands of dollars in litigation, insurance claims, and repairs down the road. And that's not even including doing the big roof repair by just spending a little bit of money on maintenance now. That's number 1. Number 2, if you maintain your roof, you will extend the life of your roof. Regular roof maintenance will extend the life of the roof. Just like a car, if you change the tires when you're supposed to, if you do the oil change when you're supposed to, if you change the battery, whatever, all the things that you need to do in your car when you buy a car, it's the same thing when you buy a roof. You have a new roof, it's not going to just last forever on its own. You have to maintain it to get the most longevity out of it. If you never do anything to your car, it's not going to make it 100,000 miles. Probably won't make it 30. If you constantly maintain your car, you can make a Ford drive 400,000 miles. I've done it. It's possible. So it's the same thing with your roof. You can double the life of your roof if you maintain it well. So increase the longevity, the life of your roof, so you don't have to spend that big ticket money all in one chunk. Spend a couple $1,000s a year on maintenance, or spend $500,000 replacing your roof if you're talking about a condo or commercial property. That's what you want to avoid. That's number 2. Number 1, spot little issues and fix them before they become big issues. Number 2, make the roof last longer. Now, number 3. Why number 3? How is there another one? Number 3, insurance. If there is a hurricane and you have to put in a insurance claim, it helps you in your case with your claim get your full amount of money and your full amount of money faster if you have recurring records of the condition of the roof. If you can prove with photos that you have taken care of your roof and that you are constantly maintaining it throughout the roof life and you are doing maintenance, you are fixing the little things, you are way more likely to get the full amount of money that you're requesting from your insurance. And if you have annual reports or biannual reports, as I really recommend for commercial properties, pre-hurricane season maintenance, to check up, batten down the hatches before hurricane season comes, and post-season hurricane maintenance to check if there are any problems after hurricane season to make sure nothing got dislodged, damaged, something blew into the roof, whatever, after hurricane season. So I recommend doing both. If you have reports of both of those things every single year, you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid the full amount. You're going to get paid faster. And if you actually do have a claim, you're going to have proof that this was not a pre-existing condition, that these things were not issues before the hurricane, and now they are. Makes sense? It will make sense to a lawyer when it goes to litigation. It'll make sense to a lawyer when it goes to a settlement. It's going to make sense to the insurance company that they have to pay out, and there's no way around it because that's what they're going to try to do. They're going to try to circumvent the system and not give you the money that you're owed for your roof if you don't have a report showing the condition of the roof every year before and after hurricane season. So if you do those three things, right? If you're doing pre and post hurricane season maintenances, you're going to make the roof last longer. You're going to fix small problems before they become big problems. And you're going to document the condition of the roof so that if you do have an issue, insurance will pay you. Those are the pros of doing your roof maintenance pre and post hurricane season. If you are a property manager of a commercial condo or a HOA board member of an HOA condo anywhere in Florida, hit me up. I got your back. Also, it can be high-rise condo. We do a ton of work on those. We work on Fisher Island. We do exclusive stuff on islands where you have to have security background checks to get to. We do government work. We can also work even if you're at Century Village at a lower budget condo, or if you have a rental condo that you rent out, you don't really care too much, you just don't want to spend a lot of money. We work at all these properties. We work for all price points. So give us a call. Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Keys, 305 MIA Roof. For Martin, St. Lucie, and Palm Beach counties, it's 561-559 Roof. We got your back. Just make sure you call us. And remember, the deal is, if you hire us, first we're going to do a free inspection for you. That's free. Number two, if you want, I'll take you to lunch. You'll get a lunch and learn with me. I'll take you to lunch or coffee. So number one, you get the inspection for free. Number two, you get lunch with me for free, which is awesome because I'm cool. And I'm the man. You want to have lunch with me. It's a lot of fun. And number three is you're going to get a free emergency roof repair. If you hire us for pre-hurricane season maintenance, you don't have to do the post-hurricane, just the pre-hurricane season maintenance. Right now, before hurricane season hits, we will give you a free emergency roof repair. Whether you need it now and we find an issue, we'll fix it now for you for free. Or if you need it during hurricane season, you can hold that. It's a ticket. You're going to get a ticket for a free emergency roof repair from me, and you can cash that in at any time. You can call me the day after a hurricane if you do this, and we will be there to fix that repair. That's what the ticket is for. Free emergency roof leak. Like now, I will change my whole schedule to put you in the front of the schedule. That's what you're going to get if you hire us for pre-hurricane season maintenance. So call Perkins Roofing, get that free emergency repair, get your inspections, your reports, so your insurance company can bug off and pay you when you need it. Make your roof last longer, right? And fix any small issues before they become big issues and cost you way more money. Win, 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 win. Call Perkins Roofing today. Franchise at perkinsroofing.net if you want to franchise with me. And Perkins Consulting if you need some consulting help. And of course, Perkins Construction if you need impact windows, doors, painting, kitchens, bathrooms, concrete restoration, 40-year research. We do it all. Thanks for watching.